सक्सेस इन यूपीएससी डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन हाउ मच यू नो. यूपीएससी में सक्सेस इस बात से तय होती है दैट हाउ मच यू आर एबल टू स्कोर. लॉट ऑफ पीपल कंफ्यूज with reading and preparing with accuracy. So let's understand, because UPSC ने cutoff को release किया है, and let's understand the cutoff of this year, the mains trend and the last 5-year trend. So in the next 10 minutes you'll get insight on UPSC preparation. And remember, UPSC is about clarity, consistency and understanding how do you crack it. आपका objective होना चाहिए prelims का cutoff निकालना है. And if you look at the data suggests very clearly that the general category cutoff is how much? Is 92.66. We were expecting 87, 88, 90, but yes, it is little above than that. And surprisingly, अगर आप देखेंगे OBC as well as EWS, the difference is very marginal. यानी if you are OBC, EWS or general, it does not matter. All of the people will have to see at same level. सबको same level पे देखना होगा. Then of course SC ST cutoff can be on the lower side. Now the first is of course the GS part. GS is the kingmaker. यानी आपके प्रीलिम्स का कट ऑफ जीएस से निकलता है, which already everybody knows that, and out of 200 you have to score this much, and at the same time आपका गेट कीपर जो है वो आपका CSAT है, where you have to score 33%, which means 67 marks. Okay, so this is the requirement. I'm Pramod Singh. I'm the director of Edge IAS, and I'm creating a learning ecosystem called Edge Learning Hub. And the idea is to help you to understand, get clarity in the examination, create a mentoring ecosystem, a system rather, which helps you to decode the process, create a system for very personalized input and crack UPSC examination. This year, rank 4, Raghav, rank 108, Dhwanish, they have been a part of my inner circle session, inner circle group, where we focus strategically on that. If you really want to be a part of that inner circle group, you have to push yourself and earn that place, and then only you can be there. But remember, you will decide the selection. Coaching selection तय नहीं करता है. Selection is decided by your effort, your process, your system. As a mentor, we are going to help you and understand you. If you're not scoring high, we have to ask why. If you're not scoring well, you have to ask why. So let's understand and decode that. So if you see the last 5-year trend, interestingly, the cutoff जो है इस last 5-year trend में, it is the highest this year. 92.66 is the highest cutoff. You can see, and it was 87 in 21. Almost constant, and then historic low जो है 2023 में था, where things were different. Interestingly, 2016 में जो कट ऑफ था वो 116 था, which means the era of 100 plus is gone, but still the things are different. So 90 is the new baseline for success, but again I would say target 110. On a bad day also you should be able to clear the prelims. Okay, इसके लिए क्या करना है? You have to come to my inner circle session regularly, consistently, to get more clarity and follow a process. Now let's understand that why there is so much fluctuation. In the last 2-3 years, the pair-based option has come. A pair-based option में elimination eliminate हो गया है, which means UPSC people are very smart and they are thinking ahead of time. They don't want people जिनको बहुत memorized है data information. They are looking at those people who can analyze, interlink and able to correlate things. So analysis और analytical skill बहुत जरूरी हो गई है. The CSAT toughness in the last few years has again made a difference. And many a times, and I don't know the data kitna sahi hai, but I have learned from few sources that more than 2,000 people could not clear the prelims because of CSAT. उनका GS cut off निकल गया था. So this is the area where overall competitive pool को elimination होता है. तो CSAT is a filter, it's an elimination, and the actual shift is towards the conceptual questioning and unconventional topics. Unconventional तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा, but if you look at the pattern of the examination, कुछ common patterns हैं. But yes, you have to cover all your bases and focus more on the understanding how UPSC can be cracked. Maybe 25-30 question आपको directly statics से मिल जाएंगे. Then maybe another 30-35 questions you're going to get from the current based static linked, and then again आप 10 question और कर सकते हैं. So ideal attempt आपका 75 to 80 I would always advise. Now let's look at it. Now when you see the 90 is the new 100, अगर आप देखेंगे तो 90 एक new 100 है. And 95 plus provides a safe buffer zone against negative marking and error and unpredictability. So 95 plus में I would say target 100 plus, and minimum जो हमारा focus होना चाहिए, I tell students 75 is to 75. यानी आपका 75 minimum attempt होना चाहिए, and 75% you should be your cutoff. So these are two things, 75 to 80 आपके questions minimum करने हैं, and this is what you are looking at. When you are able to attempt 75 and get a cutoff get a 75% accuracy, तो ये हमारी accuracy जो है वो 75% होनी चाहिए. So this will help you to touch a number of 100. आपको 100 का नंबर आप टच कर लोगे. You can do the math. Okay, so what I'm really trying to say here is that 75% आप 75 आपके attempt होने चाहिए and 75% should be your accuracy. So AA, attempt and accuracy should be on the similar lines and prioritize accuracy over quantity. ज़्यादा मत करिए, but remember at 75 तो minimum होना चाहिए benchmarking, and with this you will be able to understand. So this is the threshold I'm trying to tell you and you have to look at it. Okay, and moment ये numbers आते हैं, you have to go in the strategy mode. You have to go deep in the understanding what is going to work, what is not going to work, कैसे आपको तैयारी करनी है, कैसे चीजों को interlink करना है, and then things are going to be different. Now let's understand that last 5-year trend को फिर से देखते हैं. When you look at the last 5-year trend, you'll understand that 2023 was a very different era, and of course उसके beyond अगर आप देखेंगे, so there has been a shift. That means -12 marks का यहाँ पे negative था, -12 marks का negative था, and then of course the score एकदम से 14 marks 13 marks बढ़ गया, and 94 is the new this thing. So paper is volatile. You can't go with a strategy ki you have to have a holistic strategy. We can't have a common, if you're good in polity and history तो आप history polity करके जाएंगे, it might not happen. You have to be average in all the subject, or at least एक threshold से ऊपर होना चाहिए, and 1 or 2 good areas can actually help you further. So pattern is about adaptability. हम लोग AI के era में रह रहे हैं बेटा, और जैसे AI में world change हो रहा है, UPSC के pattern पे काफी unpredictability है. But if you just identify the process, you'll find that with right direction, right system, and right gap areas, या आप holistically देखते हैं, तो you can easily beach this number. That is what I'm trying to tell you. So this is the trend that I've discussed. Now let's talk about the mains examination. Now if you see here, mains का जो cutoff है, this is out of 1750. So you can see 1745, 1748, 1741. This year down था, and this year again. So around बहुत, this is the range from 1740 to 1750. आपके maximum main से cutoff. That means this much marks plus ये आपका mains cutoff. That means this is the marks you expect for interview call. ठीक है. So यहाँ पर threshold जो है काफी stable है, and in fact I tell my student that when you clear the mains, prelims, mains काफी ही manageable होता है, controllable होता है, and you can actually predict the outcome of the mains based on the process that have been followed. In fact, my own students who have cleared the prelims, मुझे पहले से पता था किनका mains निकल रहा है. That is, and also जिनका नहीं निकल रहा है, you know why it is not getting it, and you have to make a process to help them reach there. Okay, now this is the data, and cutoff has generally remained in a similar range. Now coming to the final selection. So final selection again you can see here, और आप देखिए personality test का एक बहुत बड़ा role होता है, and that is why I tell a lot of other students that you have to have that basic communication skill, basic mindset to be able to communicate yourself effectively. कई बार students के answer writing अच्छी होती है, they get the interview call, but they are not able to do well in the interview. So I would always advise कि आप early start करिए, and in our mentorship ecosystem, I'm devising a mechanism जहाँ पर हम interview की तैयारी उसके लिए कुछ अलग से नहीं करना है. You have to maybe develop more confidence, learn things, execute it. Communication has to be anchored, and mindset training बहुत जरूरी होती है. So here now 953 was the cutoff, final cutoff. This year it was 963. So you can see the range is same, and personality test का एक major role आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, major role होता है. In fact, if somebody scores, let's say 160 and other scores 200, now this person is out of the list and this person has a rank of within 200. In fact, मेरे खुद interview में कम marks थे and I could not clear it. अगर average होते तो I might have been in the list. Okay, so but again, this is the reality of the examination. हमको data पता है, and if you know things, the good part about UPSC prelims or UPSC mains is that you know what will work and what will not work, and that is where it is important to be able to do that. This is the cutoff for last 5 years. You can see that numbers, prelims, mains, and final list that I have already discussed. And successful preparation के लिए आपके पास data बहुत जरूरी है, because data can never lies. तो safety net आप देखेंगे. Now one more very important trend, that अगर if you belong to other categories like SC, ST, OBC, EWS, it does not matter. Don't run around for कि हमको एक सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा तो सिलेक्शन की पॉसिबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी. कट ऑफ इज वेरी क्लोज, ऑलमोस्ट देयर, वन और टू, वन क्वेश्चन, हाफ क्वेश्चन हियर एंड देयर. सो फोकस ऑन द आउटकम एंड बैरियर जो हमारा जो कट ऑफ है. वन मोर थिंग, मेंस में यू नीड टू हैव अ 10% कट ऑफ इन एवरी सब्जेक्ट. यानी हर सब्जेक्ट में आपको 10% नंबर लाने ही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 250 मार्क्स का पेपर है तो मिनिमम आपको 25 स्कोर करना है. दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर, which means subject to 10% marks in 7 competitive papers, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, essay and optional paper 1 and 2. So this is where the requirement is. And एक और चीज है, अगर मार्क्स सेम आते हैं, let's say there are two people in the final selection have the same marks, तो रैंक कैसे डिसाइड होती है? The earlier approach was compulsory paper. Compulsory paper मतलब GS and 4 essay. तो यहाँ पर GS plus essay एंड पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट, यानी दोनों के मार्क्स ऐड करके देखते हैं किसके ज्यादा है एंड यू गेट मोर वेटेज टू दैट. अगर दोनों के नंबर सेम है देन एज इज टेकन. इफ योर एज इज मोर, योर रैंक विल बी हायर. सिमिलरली अभी इसमें एक नया ट्रेंड आया है. द शिफ्ट इज दैट कंपल्सरी पेपर पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट पहले लेंगे फर्स्ट कैटेगरी. अगर यहां से नंबर सेम है देन विल अगेन गो टू कंपल्सरी पेपर्स ओनली. दैट मींस जीएस प्लस एसए के एसए प्लस जीएस 4 पेपर्स एंड एसए. And then last would be the third criteria. Now, इसका मतलब क्या है? That mains is very important. GS papers are very important. Essay is very important. Optional को weightage नहीं देंगे यहाँ पे. Personality test is again important. So this is where the whole paradigm shift has been there. I hope you got the insight. Now, if you really want to know things, come to my inner circle session. Get more clarity, understand things, and take your preparation to the next level. And believe me, if you just follow a system which is working for you, you might be there in the final list. और ये सिस्टम है, प्रोसेस है, काफी साइंटिफिक प्रोसेस है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिलीव दैट इट्स अ टफ एग्जामिनेशन. यस, प्रोसेस इज टफ, एग्जाम इज लेंथी, इट्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग, सिलेबस वास्ट है, मिनिमम 2 से 3 साल का ड्यूरेशन चाहिए होता है सिलेक्शन में. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस ईयर ध्वनिश ने ऑलमोस्ट 3 साल का कंसिस्टेंट एफर्ट किया. 3 साल, 3 years. 2 years ago he came in my mentorship program and he cleared the mains in the first attempt. And selection लेकिन नहीं हुआ. This year he got 108 rank. It was sheer effort, process, consistency and push from mentor. Holistically हमें काम करना है. And same applies for Raghav also for rank 4. Raghav is at next level because Raghav की कुछ चीजें बहुत next level पे थी, especially his command over optional paper 2 and command over GS paper 3 in the economics section. These were the highlighters and I'm sure उसके इंटरव्यू भी अच्छे नंबर आए होंगे. We'll have to see, the marks is going to come anytime. So that is the whole approach. I hope do like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment what is the score you're looking to get in this prelims. Put the number, one number डाल दीजिए, comment it and I'm going to read every comment and I'm going to reply to that. And also there'll be link of the inner circle my AJS community. You can come here and the inner circle session हर Wednesday को 8 PM पे होता है. Come, you'll get a lot of clarity. I'm not going to teach you, I'm going to tell you what to study, how to study, the strategy part, because today content is available, freely available, material available है, but उसको use कैसे करना है, approach कैसे करना है, and what is going to work for me is what is going to be decided. So thank you very much. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel. और preparation में regular रहिए. Believe me, if you follow a system which works for you, you are going to overcome it. God bless you. Bye.